If you want your business to show up in local searches and attract more customers, optimizing your Google Business Profile, GBP, for visibility is essential. In this video, we'll share practical tips to help your profile stand out and get noticed by potential customers in your area. The first tip is to complete your profile fully. Google prioritizes listings that are complete and accurate. Make sure you include your business name, address, phone number, website, business hours, and a detailed description of your services. Choosing the most relevant categories for your business also helps Google match your profile with the right searches. Next, add high-quality photos and videos. Visual content draws attention and encourages clicks. Include images of your storefront, products, team, and any special events. Videos showcasing your services or behind-the-scenes operations can further engage visitors and signal activity, which boosts visibility. Collect and respond to reviews consistently. Positive reviews build trust with potential customers and improve your local ranking. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and reply to all feedback, whether positive or negative, in a professional and friendly manner. Google favors active engagement, and customers appreciate seeing that you care. Post updates regularly. Share promotions, events, new products, or company news directly on your GBP. Regular posts indicate that your business is active and relevant, which can enhance your visibility in local searches. Including local keywords in your posts can also help Google associate your business with nearby searches. Ensure NAP consistency. Your name, address, and phone number should match across your website, social media, and other online directories. Inconsistent information can confuse Google and negatively impact your visibility. Accurate and consistent listings improve trust and search performance. Another tip is to leverage Q&A and messaging features. Answer customer questions publicly and promptly, and enable messaging if possible so people can contact you directly through your profile. Active communication shows Google and your audience that your business is reliable and engaged. Finally, consider using local SEO strategies alongside your GBP. Include location-based keywords in your website content, social media posts, and profile description. The more Google sees your business associated with your city or neighborhood, the higher the chances it will show up in local searches. In summary, improving your Google Business Profile visibility involves completing your profile, adding photos and videos, engaging with reviews, posting updates, keeping your information consistent, using messaging and Q&A features, and applying local SEO strategies. Following these tips can help your business stand out in local searches and attract more customers in your area. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more strategies for boosting your online presence and growing your business locally.